In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an easy online sticker business using AI tools. I'll show you how much people are making with their sticker business, how to get ideas for your stickers, how to generate your stickers, how to upscale and clean your stickers for good printing, and where you can sell your stickers. So let's dive in. First, let's use the Allura tool to see how much 5 different Etsy stores are making with their sticker business. This first store has made $183,000 with their shark, picnic, and dog stickers. This second store has made $85,000 with funny Bigfoot and cowboy stickers. This third store has made close to $1 million with funny and inspiring quotes. You could even sell sets of stickers to make $568,000 like this store. And this last example has made $227,000 with meme stickers. Those were just 5 of many example sellers, so you can see there are plenty of stores making good revenue with stickers. But where can we get ideas for our store? The first way is to go to Etsy.com and search for stickers. If we search cute stickers, we can see cute animals and flowers. We also have cute pets and other anime characters. Here we also find fun coffee stickers, as well as stickers for snacks and fruit and other more fun characters. I also like these fish stickers as well as these computer stickers. The second way to get ideas is using ChatGPT, which is an AI tool that can do many things, including generate ideas. You'll first need to register for a free account. Once you have your account set up, you can prompt it to help generate ideas for playful stickers that would be very popular. After submitting our prompt, the tool goes to work and generates plenty of ideas for us. These suggestions are great and include cute animals, food with funny emotions and faces, popular quotes and sayings which could be inspirational or funny, stickers for aliens and UFOs, and the list of ideas goes on, including other stickers for coffee, music, fitness and nature, as well as retro gaming and memes, robots, superheroes and mythical creatures. I think this is a pretty good list right here. Now that we have our ideas, it's time to start generating our stickers. We're going to be using Midjourney to create these. If you need a guide on how to use Midjourney, check out my other video guide after this, where I walk through step by step how to sign up and use Midjourney effectively. But for now, here's the first prompt we're going to try. Kawaii stickers of farm animals with cartoon illustration, outline, white background with a chaos factor of 75. The outline and white background help to give the sticker outline, while the chaos parameter ensures the 4 generations are going to be very different from each other. As you can see, it has successfully given us 4 different sets of sprite sheets with a range of cute farm animals. I always recommend hitting the replay button 3 times to generate 3 new sets of outputs to really see a good range of what Midjourney can produce. In this first alternative, all except the bottom left would work here because of the overlap. Here, all except the top right would work here. And lastly, all except the bottom right would work here. Now, let's try to generate a single sticker image instead of a full sprite sheet. I'm going to start with a cartoon frog. Here's my first generation, and I quite like this second option with the top hat, and this first option here with the embroidered jacket. We can then upscale our favorites by pressing the associated Upscale U button, and this will generate a larger version of each image to save to a computer. So let's go ahead and save this frog with the embroidered jacket and this frog with the top hat. Next, I tried this rainbow sticker and got some good options. I think the best is the third option in the bottom left with sparkles and clouds, so I'm going to upscale that by pressing U3. I then tried many pink love hearts in an illustration style, which also came out great. Again, I like the third version in the bottom left, so I'll upscale that again by pressing U3. Moving on, I next tried these colorful flowers and loved all 4, but again I think I most prefer the third version in the bottom left, so U3. Then I tried these sun images, and again these all came out great, but I think I like the bottom right, so U4. Next, I tried these colorful waves amidst the sunset. I like all 4 here. It's a tough call, but I think I'm going with the bottom right. So again, that's the 4th version, so I'll upscale by pressing U4. Let's take a look at the ones we've chosen and upscaled so far. So in addition to the frogs, we have the rainbow, these love hearts, these colorful flowers, the happy smiling sun, and the waves crashing at sunset. I think we're off to a good start for our initial collection of stickers. Next, I want to show you how to create more anime cartoon style images that we saw earlier were popular on Etsy.com. To do this, you'll have to go into your Midjourney settings and you can turn on the Niji mode. Here, I'm turning on Niji version 5, and then we can enter our prompt of a cat sipping latte, again an outline on a white background. Let's generate this twice, and as you can see, we now have 8 options of this cute latte sipping cat in this distinct anime style. For our final sticker, let's try a retro colorful UFO sticker and see what it gives us. With these 4 new generations, I think I like the 4th version in the bottom right the most, so let's click U4 to upscale this. After saving it to my computer and zooming in, I noticed that it is quite blurry still, especially when I zoom in on the lines and these dots in the bottom left, so we need to upscale this. Upscaling will ensure the sticker is high quality when printed. Let's try 2 free upscalers. The first is provided by stickermeal.com, who are a sticker printer in the US. When we give it our image to upscale, it has made it sharper, but it has also introduced these border artifacts which aren't appealing. So let's try another free upscaler on upscale.media. If you look at the AI upscaling on the right versus the original, you can see it's done a great job in sharpening the entire image. The stars and the lights and the lines all now appear much sharper when compared with the original. As a result, this is going to print a lot better. So let's go ahead and download this upscaled image to our computer. This high quality image does look great and very sharp, but it has this outline sticker image that Midjourney created that we need to remove. So let's use my favorite free Photoshop alternative to remove this outline at photop.com. First, we'll have to set up a new project and choose a high DPI like 400, then drag the image we already upscaled onto the artboard. Next, choose the quick selection tool from the left and click somewhere within the sticker image. You'll see it selects an outline around the main image but ignores the outer border we wish to remove. At the top navigation bar, choose Select, Modify, Contract, and contract the selection by 3 pixels to ensure none of that outline border is in our selection. Lastly, select Layer, New Layer via Copy to duplicate the selection into a new layer. You can then turn off the other layer to see the sticker selection now without the white border. The last step is to file export as PNG, choose a file name, and then go ahead and hit save. And there we have our upscaled generated image, now without that white outline border on a transparent background. If we zoom in, we can also see that that sharp quality is still retained on the lines and the dots. Now that we've made our stickers and upscaled them and cleaned them using the previous steps, we now need to distribute them on marketplaces to sell. A very popular one is redbubble.com, which has a whole section dedicated to sticker artwork. Society6 is another popular place to sell your digital sticker artwork. And also, like the sellers shown at the beginning of this video, you can also sell your stickers on Etsy, both artwork as well as actual stickers. If you're going to sell actual stickers on Etsy, it's best to start integrating with a pod sticker printing service such as Printify, which can create your stickers each time they sell and ship them directly to your customers. You can also sell stickers on tpublic.com, which has also some great inspirations as well. And lastly, Zazzle is another great place to sell your artwork, so many places to sell your designs. Remember, the more stickers and the more listings on the more platforms will determine how much you can make. I hope you enjoyed this guide. Please check out our other videos for other in-depth guides, including a full walkthrough of how to use Midjourney. Let us know any thoughts and comments below.